Here I have ASUS Zenfone 9, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to switch to slow motion mode, and here you can change speed by tapping on the arrow icon here. By changing frame rate you can change its speed, so like 120 is like the fastest slow-mo you have, 240 is like medium slow-mo, and 480 is like super slow-mo. It's like it will be so slow that you won't even notice it moving. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.